Yeah, you see it. Did some big boy shopping today. Big boy shopping today. We doing some unboxings and shit. Shit that these motherfuckers be doing. I'm finna start doing. So, yeah, man, we went to the Lennox Mall. Went and shop. I already opened some of this shit, but this some room spray. Some Creed room spray. Sea Island, man. This shit fat, bro. This shit fat. Damn, I'll get this shit in my drink. Yeah, that shit fat food. You feel me? But yeah, we finna get to the unboxing, man. Yeah, man, y'all gotta excuse me, man. Cause I'm doing this shit first time ever, bro. So, boom, we got some cologne, men cologne. And shit, I bought 2 of them motherfuckers. But I see they wrap they shit up so good. Well, this the receipt. Comes like this. Real shit. So, damn, I thought I could just take this shit up, but I'm gonna come back. Oh, yeah. Pull this. Pull all this shit up. Man, this shit stamped sealed. Like, shit sealed, man. Boom. There you go. So these folks got some real deal packaging on they shit. And boom, which one we get right here? Hold on, y'all. Damn. Yeah, so alright. California Dream. All that shit. So I'ma open this shit and we gonna see what the fuck is going on.